Hi, welcome again to this channel. In this video here, we're gonna be doing a car review, and we'll be reviewing this. It's a Hyundai Sonata. You can see Hyundai Sonata limited edition. This is a limited edition. You can see limited edition. So it means very few uh, of these cars were made. Um, that's why it's limited edition. I know there is so many Hyundai Sonatas out there, but this one is a limited edition. And one thing I want to check about this video is something to do with the engine. We're gonna go in the engine and check something in the engine. Uh, you can see this car here. Uh, Basically, this car is everything about this car is electronic. You can see it's electronic. To start this car, you don't need a key. You just push that button here to start the car. We'll do it before the end of the video, and I'll show you how it's done. Uh, you need to have the fob, and then you keep it closer to the engine, and then you hit that start button. And to stop the car, you just see it says engine start, engine stop. So it's a very nice car. I think this one is a 2017 Hyundai Sonata limited edition, and it's a very nice car, very nice on the road. And let's go to the engine and check something in the engine. Let's go. Come here. See, it's a Hyundai. Come in here. So we are here. This is the engine. I was checking the oil. See, this is the oil dipstick here, and the oil needs to be changed in this car. And the engine needs to be cleaned, definitely. You can see how the engine looks. And if you go back to one of my videos or two of my videos, you will see how these engines are cleaned. It's very easy to clean this engine, and don't use water to clean your engine. Go back in my videos, or I can attach one of the videos to this video here and show you how to clean the engine. And I'm also gonna come back and clean this engine live so you can see. So what I want to show you about this car is the fluids in this car. If you look on the left here, you see that's the windshield washer fluid. It says right there, windshield washer, to wash your windshield. That's the coolant or antifreeze. It's right there. And then if you look around, you'll see there's no other place for any fluid apart from right there on the right side there. There's a brake fluid. So if you look at this car, you see the brake fluid, you see the coolant, you see the windshield washer. So we were looking for the transmission fluid. This car has no transmission fluid container. The transmission fluid in this car is direct at the transmission. That's the main thing about this car. Another thing, this car doesn't have a power steering fluid. So most cars have transmission, power steering fluid, brake fluid, coolant or antifreeze, and then windshield washer. This car has no antifreeze. No, this car has no power steering fluid or no transmission fluid. The power steering fluid is applied directly at the transmission, right there at the power steering, right there under the power steering block, right there, and the transmission fluid is applied right there by the transmission. So you can see these cars are becoming more and more complex for a street mechanic to work on these cars. So this is just a heads up I'm giving you. It's a 2017 Hyundai Sonata limited. Means there were very few cars that year made, Hyundai cars made. If you have one, let me know in your comment section what you think about the car. The car drives nice, but anytime you have a problem with these cars, it's complex. It's electrical, and it's very complex. Um, so this is just a basic overview of this Hyundai Sonata 2017 limited edition, and I wanted to show you that the dipstick here is just for oil, so there's no transmission dipstick, and the fluid you can see is 1, 2, and 3 brake fluid right there. So just be aware when you have these cars, you're driving a very complex engine. Keep your maintenance top notch. Always maintain your vehicle properly, because if this car dies on the road, be ready to spend some money. Because these cars are complex now, very complex. That's a basic overview. We'll come back in this to this car and clean up this engine here, and I'll show you how we'll do it. It's gonna be very simple. You have seen me do it in other previous videos, and we'll do it here, and we'll do it live. Clean all this dirt in this car. We'll clean it. So keep in touch, and stay here on this video, on this channel, and you'll see what we'll do. And if you have any question, ask there in the comment section. And if you have any comment, just feel free to leave it there in the comment section. So let me know what you think about this video, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye. I'll see you later.